welcome back to my channel. It's a Walt Disney Wednesday, which makes me super excited to show you guys some of the new stuff that the Disney store just came out with. If you're like me, you love Disney and you can't always go to Disneyland, so the Disney store is like the next best thing. We learned they have these new cute keychains. I got this one for $12.99, which can kind of be a pinch, but for us Disney lovers, sometimes we just have to splurge on some things. But I'm gonna show you guys how to bling this up subtly, and you guys can use HTA Bling from my website, which is always coming out in new colors. Top of the line, blingiest bling out there. We compare to Swarovski, but far better price. So we're gonna just kind of give this just a little subtle kick to make it a little bit better. And you guys can also sell things that you buy at the Disney store for more than you bought them for. And if you put some bling on it and give it a little handmade touch, that is a way to get crafty and not impose on copyright infringement so that you can sell Disney products. So let's get going. My new poker tool, which I'm so excited about, if you can see it, it says Auntie on it. These cute little crystals in it, but that is not even close to why it's amazing. So this side is a wax pen to help you pick up your crystals while you're blinging, is a poker tool. It can be used as a weeding tool, but it's also just a versatile crafting poker tool. We're gonna use it in some other videos. You'll see it as I work on some fun things to use with it. But I needed this on the market because I needed you guys to have something cool to pick up your crystals with. So we're gonna use this today, and you can see this bad boy in action. All right, I'm gonna use the color Enchanted just to give this a tiniest bit of pop of bling. I'm just gonna do the little buttons on his pants. And I'm gonna use probably like 6 or 7 crystals per one. Whoops, oh yeah, I definitely did that in this video and I forgot. Okay, so I'm using my poker tool to just get the glue exactly where I want it, and then to clean up any spots that I don't want the glue. That's what this is really good for. And then I'm just gonna clean the glue off and put the cap on so that it doesn't dry on the tip. And then we'll get to work on the wax portion of the wax portion. We'll get to work on the blinging using the wax of the poker tool. I haven't come up with a good name for this tool. I need to. Okay, so I'm gonna just bling in the little circles. It literally took me about 2 minutes to do this entire project. So I figured I wanted to do a little hidden Mickey, and this is something that I'm starting to try to do with all of my DIYs, is to put a little hidden Mickey, even though this is clearly not going to be hidden, it's gonna be in plain sight. But I wanna add something like this. This is the reason why I also added multi-sizes to my bling, because I wanted you to be able to do as many size Mickeys as you wanted, and there's so many opportunities because there's so many different sizes in our packs of 1,400 in lots of colors. This is by far one of our favorite colors. This is Duchess, and it's a clear crystal, so it picks up kind of the colors behind it. It's absolutely stunning.